Hi YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be installing my hand sewn wig units using a 12-inch deep curly frontal and 2 deep curly bundles, and I sewed that onto a spandex dome cap on a 22-inch wig head. So just go ahead and continue to watch and stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So in this portion of the video, I am cleaning my skin with alcohol, and I'm going to go ahead and follow up using my Bold Hold Skin Protectant. You just want to use just a little bit, not too much, and you want that to dry in place before you apply your glue. It is very important that you try your wigs on and cut off the excess lace on the sides, especially around the ears, because you don't want your lace to be over your ears. So in this video, I'm going to use my mirror because I am in a bathroom to see what I'm doing, because it's kind of hard on camera. But I'm going to go ahead and cut off the extra lace off the sides before I start to glue it down. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses foundation. This is a cream foundation in the level 16. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my color and apply it on the inside of my lace for a more natural look once I lay my lace down to my skin. As you can see in this portion of the video, as I am applying my lace, you still kind of see the white glue just a little bit, but it's fine. I usually have my blow dryer, but I left it at my salon, so just keep going and just try not to mash in the lace because it will dry clear. So if you do mess up a little bit, it's fine. Just be patient and take your time. As you can see, I am in the mirror a lot in this video because it's really hard to try to do this while looking at the camera. But for future reference, I would try to put my phone in front of my mirror so that I can see what I'm doing and record at the same time. But just bear with me, guys. Keep watching. So now that I have my lace down, I'm going to go ahead and take my elastic band and tie it really tight around the hairline of my wig. And you just want to go ahead and tie that nice and tight to give it a nice pressure so that it can mold the lace into your skin. Voila, as you can see, my lace looks very natural. I really don't want any baby hairs, so I'll just probably play with it, move it around until I am satisfied with the way it looks. Basically, this is the finished look. I didn't add any baby hairs to it. I just played with it, combed it out until I love the way it looked. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and once again, do not forget to like, comment, comment, and subscribe. And also turn on your alert bell so whenever I upload, you will be the first to see it. Thank you.
Oh my goodness, what lace? Oh my goodness.